All right, welcome back. So in the previous video, I gave you a quick preview of the zoom tool. I'm going to grab the hand tool real quick, or we can hold spacebar, my favorite way to do it. I'm going to click on the zoom tool. You can also hit the letter Z, and you can zoom in, and if you hold Option on the Mac, Alt on the PC, we can zoom out. Okay? And this allows you to zoom in, zoom out. And that's really all it's for. Now I can click and drag and I can highlight a certain area. So let's say I want to work on this H. Okay, I'm doing an animation here and I want to edit this. Okay, now I'm zoomed in all the way, but if I click and drag, I can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, let's say I want to work on the E here. I click and drag, and now I'm real close to the E. Let's say you want to get back out to 100%. Let's do fit to 100%, or we can do fit. And that will zoom you out automatically. Okay, you can also do it this way, where, and remember, I'm holding spacebar and I'm clicking and I'm dragging here to use the hand tool. If I hold Option, I can zoom out that way. Okay, and I can go, it will allow me to go to 1.5%. And if I click and drag, well, it should do that, maybe not. Okay, it doesn't like me. It will not let me do what but that's really what I want to show you. So that is the zoom tool. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.